day-to-day conversation, from day-to-day I cannot talk today. Wait, I forgot my note. What is that? Everybody.
I'm addicted to your loving.
What's up, everybody? It's Sonya again. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, share if you find it valuable to you. Okay, so I have not been doing well on YouTube, vlogging, all that stuff, kind of not my stuff. So we've been testing a lot of stuff. So I was asking on my other social media platforms what they want to see, and this is what they said. You want to know what they said? I tell you. They learn how to talk in Chuukese. So on this channel, we're going to try in 2020 to learn basic Chuukese language. From basic Chuukese words to day-to-day conversations to other stuff. Like I said, I've asked on my other social media platforms what would they like to see more. And Chuukese language is the thing they like hear more, they like see more, they like watch more, they like learn more. Why I agree to this? Because we have a problem. The new generation, they don't understand, they don't speak it. It's a shame. Shame on parents who don't teach their kids how to speak their local language, their native tongue language. I don't know why my hand is pointing at my head. But yeah, that includes me. That is problem number one. Problem number two, on YouTube, no more anybody teaching the basic Chuukese language. Get some, right? But I've watched them all. Some of them, they get wrong information too. Those are the two problems. New generations now don't understand, don't speak. Y'all need to learn your native language, man. Solution. Every Monday, I will be uploading a video presenting to you one basic Chuukese word or some kind of sentence or conversation in Chuukese, and then you're going to learn. Okay, so the word for today, I have actually two words for you today, is how to say hello and my name is. Okay, simple. I know today is not Monday, but bear with me. So because I uploaded this today, Sunday, don't expect any videos on Monday, okay? No videos Monday. Next week, the other week, not this Monday, but the other one, then I upload every Monday. But for this one, today is Sunday, okay? Midnight kind of time. Sunday like midnight, Saturday night, midnight, Sunday. You know. Anyways, today's word is radanim. 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 That is how we greet our Chuukese, fellow Chuukese.
We're not Japanese or Asians, or we're not Japanese or Koreans or Chinese that we have to do this, or Namaste Indians.
We just say radanim. Radanim. Actually, you know what? Sometimes people do that too. Radanim. 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 You get my point. Ran and nim. In English, it's just hello, one word. In Chuukese, it's ran and nim. Ran and nim. Two words. But when it comes to my name is, in English, it's my name is. Three words. In Chuukese, it's just ite. Ite. I-T-E-I. Ite. Ite. What's up? Radanim. Ite Sonya, man. Ifa itom. that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Kind of make it fun for the new generations to come watch and learn while you act stupid and crazy. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell because you don't want to miss the next uploaded videos every week. Okay, Mondays.
Y'all need to keep me accountable too, yeah? Mondays. Every Mondays. Get it. Got it. Mondays. Yep, Mondays. See you next Monday. Not this one, but the next one. Okay?
And if you do know somebody that would enjoy watching these videos, please share. Share. Why? Because sharing is caring. Peace. Yes. I'm okay. I'm fine. So like I said, I asked on my other social media platform, blah, 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 blah. Like I said, I asked on my other social media.
As long as you don't let go, don't let
Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about
his stupid PS4.